What's going on, guys? Today we're riding around a local state forest called Jennings State Forest. My buddy Justin up there, he's gonna camp here tonight. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to, so just figure I'd come out here with him and ride around with him for a little bit, see what it's all about. Before we got here, we actually went to Osceola National Forest and rode around there for a while. That was pretty fun. But yeah, road so far been a little sandy, but not too bad. A little sandy, a little bumpy. Hopefully we don't have any mishaps in this trip. So stick around, hang out, have some fun with us, see what we can get into. Finally got some nice weather, a little break from that cold weather. Finally snowed in Florida again. Can you believe that? Last time I believe it was like in 1980 something. So pretty cool. I actually got a little bit of snow in my house. I mean, not too much, but something different. A lot of horse trails. People with horses come out here. A lot of hiking trails through here too. I might have to come back one day and hike some of them trails. Some of them are really, really long. And definitely not in shape for that right now. But need to work on it. Come back. Tackle some of those. See what we're gonna do up here and come into our first. Okay, this is where the campground is at. Bell Cemetery Road. Hopefully we don't find the Bell Witch over here. Kind of look like somebody I know, but I'm not sure. I don't really want to turn around and just to find out that's not him. Yeah, today we're riding on my pretty new, only got 581 miles. It's a 23 Honda CB500X. Pretty affordable bike. I mean, super entry level into, probably not even considered like an ADV bike yet, but after a couple little upgrades and adjustments, it gets the job done. I mean, for what I'm gonna be doing, I'm definitely not gonna be doing no ADV or nothing like that anytime soon. So yeah, we've been planning on some adventures. We definitely want to start doing more of this. probably once a month or so. And I apologize for the wind noise, but I mean, once I close this face shield, it gets kind of warm since we're not really rolling that fast. It's about 70, 75 degrees today.
You want to do that loop and come back?
Yeah, we can. My buddy Justin right here. Say hi to the people over here. It's the guy that got me into all this mess. Yeah, so we're gonna go up there and do a loop. We actually came here, I believe it was last weekend, just to scout it out, see what the conditions were gonna be like, trail conditions, and all that good stuff. Come on, yeah. Why you stop? I was doing good. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Well, that was exciting. Woo! He probably don't want to be in camera now. Whew. Yeah, once you kill that momentum, man, it'll get you. Woohoo! Yeah, the little sandy parts here, man, they'll get you if you're not on your toes. I don't even know how he's doing back there. I might have to stop. Make sure he's still back there. I'm gonna pull over here. I don't see him. Shit, I hope nothing happened to him. Oh shit. Oh, I think I see him. Oh. I think he might have ran into some trouble back there. I see him struggling a little bit. Yeah, he definitely. Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn around and. See what he got into. Hopefully, oh no, that's not good. Yeah. What happened? All right, folks, hold on tight.
First wipeout.
First wipeout.
First wipeout.
How you feeling?
Oh, exhilarating.
She lives.
Ah, shit.
You bring any? Your little chair might be a little loose now. Got it back on his feet. Man, that's a workout. Trying to pick up that bike. That's a heavy sucker right there. He riding on a Triumph 900. Woo! Oh my God. Yep. Definitely wouldn't recommend doing this by yourself. I mean, I'm glad I was able to come with him and not leave him alone. Yeah, you can see him up there. Squiggle, squiggle. Yeah, I don't think he's gonna want to do. He actually wanted to turn around and go back to camp, but I mean, can't be afraid of it. Find a good place to turn around over here because this trail ends and it ends on like a little pretty tight turnaround, kind of sandy too. I definitely don't want to go on the bike through there. Whoa. Yeah, it's the end of the road. Woo! All right, be back. Back in the saddle. He a little nerves definitely getting onto us, but it's part of it, I guess. Everybody's good. Here we go, that little sketchy part again. Woohoo!
It's so soft I can't even get off.
Ah,
Help me push this up over here. So I get to it.
hey, look.
Yeah.
What do you need?
Just hold the bike so I can get off of it. Oh, I gotta find something to put down, or we can push it up here. I gotta find something to put up under there. Huh? Actually, let
It
me.
might be good now that you're not on it. Nope.
I gotta find a piece of wood.
Hold it, hold it, hold it. Woo! We good. My mirror better than yours. Honda, baby. Oh, actually, no. I'm about to go home and get the pickup. Yeah? Well, nice peaceful day, huh? Not for us. Unfortunately, our day has come to a little screeching halt, literally. Screeching halt. Show you guys.
Sandman came and got John.
Coming down this curb here. Front tire dug in there, got out of it, just to get right back on this one. Bike went down. I'll put some video of that so you guys can laugh at me. Everything's good. I'm good. The bike is good. Everything survived. This took most of the hit, except for this part right here. The only reason why we can't keep going is because it bent my shift rod and it broke my engine bolt right there. But this ain't gonna stop us, right?
Ain't gonna stop us. But we ain't coming back here.
We might do some glamping now. I think we're gonna move into touring.
Touring, yeah.
All asphalt.
All asphalt, street touring. We'll go to those nice, expensive campgrounds. They got electric and water and
paved roads and paved driveways. But yeah,
and we're gonna come. We'll come out do some moto camper, but it ain't gonna be over here at Jennings. Too soft. Too soft for us.
How you feel after you went down too? I mean, we both went down today. I'm just the only one that got
damage to the
damage.
I feel pretty good. Yeah. A little nervous, but you know, you gotta get right back on that thing and go.
Yeah, so I got with my wife. She's bringing the truck here. Rescue us. So probably gonna be a while. Might be dark. Hopefully we don't get eaten by no bears, no coyotes or nothing.
Pumas,
skinwalkers.
Skinwalker. Skinwalker, Florida.
Yeah.
Middleburg, skinwalkers.
Well, we'll bring you guys back when we loading this thing up. See how fun that's gonna be.
Peace.